Welcome everyone, this is Stefan and Ben from Meat.
Today we're gonna cook a beautiful German Fullblood Wagyu rump steak with around a pound.
Unfortunately, we only got one with marbling score 4, but let's go.
As usual, we start to pat the steak dry with a kitchen paper and give it a simple seasoning with salt and pepper.
And today, instead of the usual oil massage, we're going to use mayonnaise, which is currently recommended by a lot of cooking channels and chefs on YouTube. Apparently, the egg and sugar in the mayonnaise helps to get a much better crust in a shorter amount of time, so let's give it a try.
Of course, we won't skip our crushed garlic and butter for the additional flavor. We prepared the pan with some canola oil and heated it up to over 200 degrees Celsius, which is roughly around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We plan to sear the steak for only 5 to 6 minutes in total.
After about 2.5 minutes, we flip the steak and surprise! We already have a beautiful crust after such a short time.
Oh wow, it seems that the mayonnaise trick really works great, Stefan.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's get the butter and the crushed garlic ready and drop it into the pan.
As usual, we finish the searing by going for some color on the edges, roughly half a minute on each side. Our steak's been searing in the pan for roughly 7 minutes, and before we slice it, we give it another 5 minutes of rest.
Okay, final stage. Let's cut it open. Beautiful medium rare, as we like it.
Nice.
So Steph, cut the rest open for us.
Yep, let's go.
And yeah, just flip it for the other side. Okay guys, if you liked the video, just give a thumbs up.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see our future videos, and maybe hit the little bell to get notifications to not miss them, and see you in the next video.
On Meat.